Hello, welcome to the channel of Mexican-Glassware.us. We are a Mexican company dedicated to working with glass, and we offer a wide range of practical and decorative products of great quality. Techniques to handle glass in Mexican glassware. Since glass and glass materials are totally different in terms of glasses and cups, there are several techniques for working glass. These handling techniques are also different from those used within the Mexican glassware industry. Here are the ones we have for glass. Cold engraving techniques for Mexican glassware. Engraving with acid. For the work of glass with this technique is mainly used hydrofluoric acid. Because it is an extremely dangerous compound, it is recommended to work in a very ventilated environment. Engraving with sand. To perform this type of work with a sand source, the piece of glass must be covered with adhesive tape, on which the desired drawing is sketched and cut. All this in order to expose the whole vitreous area that you want to attack by means of the eroding action of the sand launched under pressure. It is possible to wear out the glass, thus obtaining the desired effects on the glass. Carved or beveled engraving. This is a mechanical means for engraving glass, especially round ones, such as cups, bonbonnières, or bottles. This technique is to brush the surface of the glass with wheels of copper diamond stones that must be lubricated with water. This method is the most used for the engraving of initials or monograms. There are other techniques, such as vertical molten grades through any mixtures of water with fine sand. These are applied to the glass of these grindes that move in the form of facets or bevels in the desired shape. In the end, they are softened with a very fine emery, and for the desired brightness are used discs protected with felts. Techniques for the hot elaboration for Mexican glassware. Blowing. This is a technique that has preserved its process without any change since its invention. Hollow iron rods that are from 1.2 to 1.8 centimeters are used, and glaziers are very simple tools, and so it only takes the glazier's skill to achieve showy jobs. Then comes the whole process of introducing the cane to pick up the glass that is at its melting point with a consistency similar to that of honey. The piece of glass is turned on a stone to give the initial shape, then blows to form a bubble where the piece you want to work begins. Then, with a thick piece of wet paper, the clamp and sewn type of puntilla begins to give the desired shape. Mold blown. Once the glass reaches the melting point, it is introduced into a mold and the blowing is started to get the desired shape. Then decorate the piece according to the model to be worked, finishing the work in the annealing furnace.